Okay, good afternoon, sir. Uh, Today I want to presentation my proposal. The title of my proposal is the effect of TikTok videos on students speaking fluency. Background problem statement. Students often struggle with English pronunciation and speaking fluency due to limited exposure to authentic language, lack of practice, and low confidence. In traditional classrooms, this issue is compounded of heavy focus on grammar and reading, which leaves students with fewer opportunities and lower motivation to actively participate in spoken communication. While digital platforms like TikTok offer short, interactive, and authentic videos that showcase real-life language use, they are rarely utilized effectively in formal education. Therefore, this study investigates whether TikTok videos can serve as an effective learning tool to improve students' pronunciation and speaking fluency, and explores the extent of their contribution to overall speaking development. Cause of the problem: limited authentic exposure. Students rarely hear natural English as their exposure is mostly restricted to the classroom. Insufficient speaking practice. Classrooms heavily prioritize grammar and writing over oral communication. Anxiety and low confidence. Fear of making mistakes and being judged causes hesitation and stalls fluency. This engaging method. Traditional teaching fails to motivate students to actively participate in speaking. Underutilized technology. Interactive digital platforms like TikTok are rarely integrated effectively into formal lessons. Proposed solution. To address difficulties with English pronunciation and speaking fluency, this study proposes integrating TikTok videos as an innovative learning medium. The platform offers short, engaging, and authentic content that exposes students to natural English usage, including correct pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. By watching and imitating native or proficient speakers, students can repeatedly practice and refine their oral accuracy. Additionally, TikTok's interactive nature encourage active participation by allowing students to create their own videos and engage in speaking challenges. This hands-on approach builds confidence and lowers language anxiety, turning the classroom into a more dynamic and enjoyable space. Guided by structure, teacher activities, and feedback, this solution provides a practical, highly engaging method for developing overall speaking fluency. Research problem and objective. To what extent does the implementation of TikTok videos improve students' speaking fluency, and how do students perceive its impact of their learning motivation? Is there a significant improvement in students' English speaking fluency, especially in speed, breakdown, and reaper fluency, after utilizing TikTok videos as a learning medium? How do students describe their experiences, challenges, and emotional shifts such as confidence and anxiety when using TikTok for speaking practice? Objective: to measure the improvement in students' speaking fluency, speed, breakdown, and reaper fluency after using TikTok videos. To explore students' experience, challenges, and emotional shifts, confidence, and anxiety during the practice. To integrate both findings to explain how students' experiences and engagement influence their statistical fluency scores. Research methodology, method and data collection. Research design. In this research, a mixed method approach utilizing a quasi-experimental design, quantitative research t-test, along with qualitative methods, structured, unstructured interviews, and questionnaires. The experimental group used TikTok media to develop their speaking abilities, whereas the control group improved their speaking skills through traditional classroom methods students presented directly in class. Instrument project presentation, interviews, experimental group, the project-based learning, pre-test, post-test, and questionnaire. Sample, 32 students and 8 grader as the experimental group. Location SMP Negeri 1 Serang. And data analysis, speaking ability and motivation improvement categories were analyzed using the N-gain formula. Based on the N-gain value, the category of improvement in speaking skills and students' motivation can be identified. Gain is categorized as high if the G value is greater than 0.7, intermediate if 0.7 is greater than gain and greater than 0.3, and low if G less than 0.3. So G as the gain, SF is the post-test average, SI is pre-test average, and Xmax is maximum score. Thank you.